Welcome back to the very first chapter of biology, that is transport of food and minerals in plant. So far we have studied about the different terms related to movement of molecules into the plants like diffusion, osmosis and active transport. Now we will discuss about how these substances reaches from roots to different parts of the plant. There are different theories given to explain the uptake of water and other substances from root to shoot, tip, leaves and other part of plant. One of them is root pressure, another is transpiration and transpiration pull. First is root pressure. Now what is root pressure? It is the pressure developed in the roots due to continuous inward movement of water. So first, root pressure continuously forces the water up, and second thing is it is one of the forces that helps the upward movement of water through the stems and other parts up to a certain height. But this root pressure will not be helpful for very tall plants. Now other theory is related to transpiration. As you all know, transpiration is evaporation of water from aerial part of the plant by stomata. It can be also described, transpiration can be also described as loss of water from aerial part of the plant in the form of water vapor. Due to loss of water by transpiration, a kind of suction pull is created that moves the water upward from root to shoot through the xylem vessels. This is known as transpiration pull. Once again, due to loss of water by transpiration, a kind of suction pull is created that moves the water upward from root to shoot through the xylem vessels, and this is known as transpiration pull. Next topic is how this transpiration is important, or importance of transpiration. First of all, this transpiration is important for uptake of water. Second thing is transport of minerals. As the water moves up, dissolved minerals also move along with water. And the third is cooling effect. It cools the surface of leaves and also protect the plant from strong sunlight. So in this way, transpiration is helpful. Now, what are the factors that affect the transpiration? So now we will discuss about factors affecting transpiration. There are 4 factors which affect the transpiration: sunlight, temperature, humidity and wind. Rate of transpiration will increase with increase in temperature, sunlight and wind. Means if temperature, sunlight and wind will increase, the rate of transpiration will also increase. And if it decrease, then rate of transpiration will also decrease. Rate of transpiration will decrease with increase in humidity. If humidity is increased, then transpiration rate will be less. Now we will discuss about how the transport of water and food takes place in plant. As you all know, plants absorb water and minerals from the soil by root. From root, it is transported to leaves for preparing food, and this prepared food is transported from leaves to other part of the plant. This transportation of food and water is done by conducting tissue. It is made up of two tissues, xylem and phloem.